Hey guys, welcome back everybody. I'm Mr. Miata Nut, and we've got a new exciting project in store for you today. We just picked this up, a 2020 Toyota Corolla. It was a previous Hertz rental car from the local Copart auction. As you can see, it was in a little bit of a side swipe incident, but it's really not too bad a shape. It's got a little small dent right up here in the front fender. Took out the mirror, put a little hole in the driver door. Got a little dent here, but the biggest damage was right here in the rear quarter panel, and we're going to cut that out and section in a new piece of sheet metal right there. And then we got a little damage to the bumper. And as you can see, we got the spare. We'll pull out the original wheel in a minute, but it was pretty mangled up. But we've got all new parts from Toyota. We're going to make this thing better than new, and I look forward to taking this journey with you. Thanks for following along. All right guys, we got it in the shop. Let's get it on the lift and start pulling some things apart and seeing what everything looks like. This doesn't look too bad. Brakes and suspension look okay. We'll definitely take it and get an alignment done when we get finished with everything. But let's go ahead and get this inner fender liner out of here. Obviously, we're going to have to be a little bit careful working around the gas filler neck, and don't need any explosions in the shop this week. All right, there we go. Get that fender liner out of the way. Let's see what we got. Yeah, this doesn't look too bad. So we got this outer skin right here. It's obviously pushed back. We need to get this skirt off down here. Let's take a look at that. Oh, keep forgetting. This metal's bent back. So let's get a pair of pliers and see if we can bend this out of here and open up this door. How about that? There we go. Not too bad. Got a little crease here in the door. I think we can probably straighten that out. Like I said, we got a little dent right back here. Everything else feels pretty good. I think we can pull that out, straighten this out right here, and we're gonna section in this piece right here. So let's get this skirt off the bottom here. I think it's just about loose. Let's see what we need to. Let's go ahead and put it up in there a little more. There's one there. Another one there. And I think that's it. Tell you what, may have to get the back door open back up. Let's lower this back down. Let's see. And there we have it. Get that shut out of the way. Awesome. Got that side skirt out. Not too bad. Got a clip broken here, one at the front. Got a little damage here, but we're gonna pick us up a new one. It should be here in a couple of days. So let's just set this to the side. All right, guys. Let's take a look at this rear quarter panel section here. Obviously, this is the blunt of the damage right here. But I think what we're gonna try to do is section it right through here, through the door jamb, and then also right here at the bottom. I'm gonna clean this up just a little bit and put some painter's tape on there, kind of showing where about we're gonna cut. So, we're gonna go somewhere right in this area here. Be a good spot on the top, and probably come back down to where it flattens out here at the bottom. And I think that's what we're going to try to do is cut it here, cut it here. We'll clean off the seam sealer right here and drill out our spot welds. We're going to pull the weather stripping out of the door and drill out those spot welds. But before we do that, I've already picked up the new parts. Let's take a look at the new quarter panel section and see exactly where it shapes up and see if it corresponds where we want to cut. So let's move over here and take a look. You can see this is a real big box for a small part for such a small area, but let's see what we got in here. Oh yeah. Let's see. I'm gonna lay this down. Very nice. Look at there. There's a brand new quarter panel. It looks very nice. Come around here. See where this corresponds with the side of the car. So I think the next step is let's go ahead and put the car back on the ground and let's pull apart the inside of the car a little bit. We're going to pull out the door weather stripping, pull out the trim pieces right around the door, and maybe go ahead and pull the back seat out of the car, and then cover up and clean up inside of the car before we start trying to cut this section of the quarter out. So let's put it down and get going again. All right, let's see what we got here. Where these seats fall down. Yeah. All right. Awesome. Got that out of the way. Set these screws on the floor here. All right, we're gonna go get us a big blanket and we're gonna cover up everything inside the car before we start drilling and cutting. All right, we got that covered up pretty well. I think the next thing we're gonna do is let's raise this up just a little bit so we can see everything a little better. I think first thing first, we're going to take our marker and we're going to mark all these spot welds that we're going to drill out here. And obviously we got to clean all this off the bottom here. I'll go ahead and get these spot welds drilled on the top. Actually, I'm going to put some gloves, good gloves on first. Put our welding gloves on, just in case the hand slips. Tell you what, we're going to take just a break for a minute, get our grinder set up, and I think go ahead and clean all the seam sealer off the bottom here, and then go ahead and make our cuts and grind these welds loose here and across the bottom, and go from there. Now it's coming together. There's another little piece. I think that's going to be about it.